See this? This piece of metal art sells for twice the price of what you pay for it. The small ones start about $27 and the big ones can sell for over $300. That means huge profits. I found the original concept on Etsy in less than a minute, and now with AI you can have these designs done in seconds. Add the text in Canva and have it loaded on your store and with ads running it the same day. The best part is you don't need any art skills and you certainly don't need inventory. I'm doing the whole thing. Find it, make it, launch it right now, and you can follow every step. Now for this walkthrough, I'm going to use my store that I've got as a dummy to guide you through it. So it's a gym-inspired store that I've set up for my coaching business. You see here, I've already got some metal art on here for the gym space, and it's the gym area that we're going to look for metal art again. So going over into Etsy, the way I found that piece that did $63,000 in the first month, I've shown you in other videos. You can watch them up here somewhere. But the way I found that was I found a cake topper on Etsy that easily translated over into the biker niche. So that's what I did. And that's exactly what we're doing. We're looking for validated designs that are already selling. So in here, I'm just going to search for something in the gym space. So gym shirt, and we'll have a look to see what's selling. So when I come in here, what I am looking for is the bestseller badges in the top left or Etsy picks or anything like that. So nothing showing up right now. I've got these filters that I can refine that search for. So I'm looking for a physical item. Etsy's best, Etsy's pick. So that's going to come through. And up in the title, no, not that one, star seller. So I can change star seller. So up in the URL bar, you may not be able to see this because it is quite small. But in that address bar, I'm just changing star to best. And that's going to sort by best sellers. So we can see here that straight away tag in the top left of these thumbnails. So bestseller, popular now, bestseller, cool. So that just helps us to see what Etsy is flagging as a product that is popular right now. So what I'm looking for is something that could easily translate for us. So dumbbells, deadlifts, and diapers. That's pretty cool for a Father's Day idea. But the one that really stands out is this doth thou even hoist. And now that is a design I've done a concept myself. And using Everbee here, we can see that it is making sales. So I'm just going to use that tool. So Everbee, it is a validation tool. It helps us see the estimated revenues, the tags, all that kind of stuff. So if I sort by revenue there, I'm going to zoom in here. And if we scroll through, we can see that it's doing about 2,300 AUD a month, which is good. This we're just going to click into. So that is something that using AI, we'd be able to create quite easily. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So now that I have that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to snapshot that night deadlifting. I think it's really quite cool. And we're just going to use that as inspiration for ChatGPT to create our own version of it. Now, before we get too carried away, I want to check out some metal art to see what's selling in that space as well. So what can we see here? I think that is actually pretty funny. This is my happy place. F it up. That's a funny one. It's not selling though. But coming through, again, we're looking for the bestseller or popular now badges, that kind of thing. Cool. That's another one that would work well for the store that I've got. Is this like sword with the... I think that must be the Lord of the Rings. Except it is dangerous. Running into the copyright territory there. So I'm just going to go product analytics and I'm just going to search this way to see what's come through. Oh, let's take a look at that. It is making money. Oh, $19,000 a month. Nice. It was launched 2 years ago. And how much has it done? It looks pretty consistent. All time, $212,000. Who knows if they've got ads running to it? That, you know, this could be all organic, so they're just paying the transaction fees from Etsy. That's pretty wild. So I do like that. So let's just check it out and see what is special about this particular piece. So, okay, so it's a hummingbird metal art garden design. Cool, it's a garden stake, so that's kind of unique as well. I like the words, Denise's happy place. See, I think that's doing a lot of the selling. The happy place, it's a term that you hear quite a bit. And the fact that it's personalized with Denise's happy place, and this will be sold to people who love gardening, I think that's great. So if we can do something crossed between the Dost Thou Even Hoist in that gym space where the medieval or the fantasy D&T type thing is working, I think we've got a red hot shot at creating a good seller here. So that's good. Denise's happy place. So what I want to do is I'm going to go into ChatGPT and I'm going to try and get it to, with the old English version that Dost Thou Even Hoist actually is, I'm going to get it to convert that to, or happy place converted to Old English. So let's go and see what that looks like. Alrighty, in the same Old English as Dost Thou Even Hoist, give me 5 variations saying Brian's happy place. Okay, so he find or wherein Brian maketh merry. That is a winner. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go over into ChatGPT, get the night created, and play around with Canva to add the text to it. So let's get into it. Do you love it? I love it. And it's exactly why I put the new program together, the AI Product Accelerator. My new store over 10 months has done over $700,000, and I've been using AI to leverage every single part of the business. So in this program, I'm giving you the step-by-step roadmap to being able to create your own AI product business, where I'm guiding you every step of the way. I'm there coaching you, answering your questions in real time. You're in a community of like-minded people. It is amazing. If you want to check it out, the AI Product Accelerator, hit the link in the description below and I'll see you over there. I've put in that reference image. I've also put in my prompt. You can get this prompt. I've linked it in the description below. So just search for image prompt and you'll find it. And we're just going to hit send a prompt, and we'll see what it does. So this is the beauty of designing metal art with AI. Back when I first started, back in 2018 or 19, when I first started selling metal art, there was very few people that knew how to design it, and I had to do it myself. I had to learn how to design. So you can imagine how fun that was for an ex-carpenter. So having AI do it for us is mind-blowing. It changes the game. We can get so many more designs done so much faster, which when it comes to print on demand, designs and quantity of quality designs is what we need to be able to find success faster.
A few moments later.
Pretty good. There's a couple of pieces in there that are going to fall out, like these on his mask, but we can fix them very easily. So very cool. All right, download him. Once you're happy with that design, just drag it into Canva. Make sure that every piece connects, because if it doesn't, it's going to fall out and it's going to make it look pretty silly. Down the bottom of this design, I'm actually putting in another panel where we're going to use it for the personalization, using Gothic looking text at the top. And I'm going to put in an extra couple of white shapes there just to make sure it looks like the knight's head is on top of the text. It looks pretty sharp that way. Then down the bottom, we're going to finish it off with the maketh merry, wherein Ronnie maketh merry. I think it's quite funny and plays well to that same kind of vibe. Once you're happy with it, you download it because it's ready to go. And My Easy Monogram is going to fulfill these on demand. So every time an order comes in, they are going to automatically cut, powder coat, and send it straight to our customers, leaving us with a profit. So they're pretty cool. The good thing about them too is they connect straight into Etsy or Shopify. So I'm going to do it through Shopify and put it on Etsy anyway, just through the way I've got it worked out. So from Shopify, I'm going in here and I can get into the app that way. So on the left-hand side, we want to go products, custom steel, and we want to go start designing. Okay, now we're in here. We want to click on the left-hand side here, just click images. We want to add new, and we're going to drag our image in here. There it is. Now we want to upload. Awesome. Now we're going to lock that. And then we're going to go to the text layer on the left there. Click on text. We're going to bring that down over there. We're going to change that color to white. That the white on this design is what's going to be cut. Change that to 80. There we go. Beautiful. Validation. I want to go that uppercase. Very cool. That's fine. Add to custom name there. Save. Okay, now once we're happy with that, that's all we need to do. So that text is going to be customized by the customer, and then that's going to be cut from the actual panel, like I mentioned earlier. The thing about negative text like this, the supports need to be in there for the center of the O's, the D's, that kind of thing, the A. Otherwise, they'll fall away and it'll just look like a big circle. It doesn't look good. Go save. And then it's going to generate all the different images and the different colors for us. Go save. Okay, so once that's finished generating, it's going to spit you out into this screen. So I've named it up the top here. Coming down, you want to set the profit margin to 200%. It's a good rule. It's doubling the cost price there. So you're seeing profit is $54 on that small piece, which is a 12-inch. Set compare at profit margin to 300% if you would like to do that. There we go. Once you're happy with that, we go publish. And then once that's published, that'll show up on your store. Okay, so now we've got it in our store here. We can see all the different thumbnails of the different colors there. So I don't want to sell all them. What I'm going to do is just going to remove a couple of these. We've done that. We're going to copy and paste this into Claude, and then we're going to have Claude customized to our target. So in Claude, I've just asked it to customize this copy to be for a D&D player who loves lifting. Pasting in that copy, and now it's going to get to work for us. Shouldn't take too long. Beautiful. Introducing customizable metal art built for players who take their builds seriously, whether that's their character sheet or their squat PR. Awesome. This is the amazing thing with AI, right? It's all bold, everything. It's exactly what we need. One last thing I want to do before I send this live is I want to make sure that we've got some mock-ups of this piece of metal art in a store so it looks great. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this image, this one, the black one, and upload it into Google Flow. This is where it gets really, really quite cool. So this is Google Flow. Now, this is going to use Nano Banana as the AI to generate these images, and it actually gets pretty crazy. And you can generate unlimited images with the free version of this, which is insane. So, and you do 4 at a time. So in Google Flow, you hit a new project. You want to make sure the agent's turned off because that will charge you. We're using Nano Banana Pro by 4 output, the 1-to-1. Fantastic. So that's all good. You want to make sure your image is attached to that prompt. And then we just hit generate, and then it's going to generate them for us. When you're doing it, make sure that your images that you do create are 100% accurate to the uploaded design that you've created. That way your customers are going to be happy, and so are you. So if it's not accurate when you first do it, just massage the prompt and try again. You do have unlimited uses or unlimited creations of these images, so just keep going. You can create some amazing stuff. It creates videos which charge, but it's a very, very handy tool to have for your business. And you can see there, the one in the middle, absolutely fantastic. And that's what I'm going to run with. So we want to drag that image back into our Shopify dashboard. It's going to process, and then we're going to swap that out. So we're going to drag it over to be that main spot there. Very cool. What I love about this one is it's got a live personalizer on here as well. So people can come in here, they can choose their color, they can choose their size. Name, Ronnie, wherein Ronnie maketh merry. Now, in that time, I've also published it across to my Etsy store. I'm previewing that, and it's looking fantastic as well. So I can change the sizes on that. Cool. Looks good. Got the personalization layer there. Awesome. So that's good to go. And check this out. On my store, this store launched last August, and can you guess how much it's done? I'm sure you can. I've told a lot of people. It has done $708,200. Well, $708,289. It's had almost 18,000 orders. Well, 18,000, so 17,000 orders because they start at 1,000, and it's sitting at 5% conversion rate. Incredible. This is all hybrid print on demand. It's exactly what I'm teaching you. It's the exact same process I've taught you in this video. Rinse and repeat. Find validated products. Design them with AI. Launch them. Run ads or optimize them for your Etsy. Rinse and repeat. Find your winners, double down on them, scale them, and make money. $708,000 in barely 10 months of a new store being launched. That is the power of AI print on demand or AI physical products. And it's that I've put inside the AI physical products. All the learnings, everything I've packaged up over the past 16 years of doing e-commerce, over the last 13 years of doing print on demand, it is in that program. And in it, I'm taking you through the full process from start to finish, from launching with your new brand kit, your logos, your new stores, all the way to running ads and building a real brand where you can live from the business that you're creating. And that's the beauty of these businesses. If you'd like to check that out and you want my personalized coaching as well, then make sure you click the link in the description below. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Stay awesome.